Harold Shipman, also known as Dr. Death, was a British general practitioner who is believed to be one of the most prolific serial killers in history. Born on January 14, 1946, in Nottingham, England, Shipman had a seemingly normal upbringing, though his mother's death from cancer when he was 17 profoundly affected him. During her illness, he observed how morphine eased her suffering, which may have influenced his later behavior. As he became an adult, he became a well-respected doctor, practicing in Hyde, Great Manchester. However, between 1975 to 1998, he secretly murdered about 250 patients, predominantly elderly women, by administering lethal doses of heroin. Shipman exploited the trust his patients had in him, even visiting them at home under the guise of providing care, then injecting them with the fatal drug. As a doctor, he was seen as a caretaker, making his murders even more insidious. His victims, who trusted him to safeguard their life, were instead killed in cold blood, and he would also falsify medical records to cover up his actions, and even altered wills to benefit himself in some cases. His motivations remain largely unclear, but some experts speculate that his mother's death and his perceived control over life and death may have played a role in his killings. Others believe he was driven by a god complex, seeking power over his victims' fates. He was eventually caught in 1998 after he forged the will of one of his victims, Kathleen Grundy, leading her daughter to suspect something was up. An investigation followed, uncovering the large amount of murders he had committed, and in the year 2000, he was convicted of 15 counts of murder and sentenced to life imprisonment. He hanged himself in his prison cell in 2004, escaping justice for the full extent of his monstrous crimes.